Broomstick farmers in Mauet, West Khasi Hills district are facing severe financial hardship due to a significant drop in broomstick prices. While prices ranged between 100 and 120 rupees per kilogram in 2021 and 2022, they have now fallen to just rupees 40 per kilogram, severely affecting farmers' livelihoods. With high investment costs and low market demand, farmers are calling on the government for support during this challenging time.
Itan ka jing normal bangim la siu ban im normal ni ikhilin ti tang yo sansar long ban im ya bam ban ke school lagi yeng gisam gi jong ya po so po thau bat ka state ki jala baro idor gini gisnam gi bala le no long ila ban ki no chispa bat chispa arpo gisnam go bala le no aki 1000 arpo we arpo ar kum tatar te mentau snam kalong kadar kalong tang sapro tengka te day halor kane kalong ni kum kinong rap sansar ni dan ka jing ba te ni la du nong ba sibun.
In a heartbreaking incident,